Hey guys, I'm Jonas. Today we're going to be finishing up assembly and going for a test drive on our big block swapped Yamaha G29. Now if you guys didn't catch the first video, this is a 2007 Yamaha Drive that started out as just a plain Jane cart. Didn't have anything done to it and it was in pretty rough shape. It had been used and abused throughout its life. So we decided to tear it all the way down to the frame and do a big block swap in it using Vegas Card's conversion kit and installing a Predator 670. We also installed a 6-inch A-arm style lift kit from Mad Jacks along with some 22-inch tall tires on 12-inch wheels. While we had it torn down to the frame, we went ahead and blasted and painted the frame to match our new body. We had the body and the frame painted by our local body shop here that is called Farrell's Body Shop. Now they do paint a lot of golf cart bodies there. So I'm going to leave some contact info in the description down below if you guys are interested in contacting them. After finally getting to take this thing for a test drive, I gotta say overall I'm pretty happy with it. This thing's got a ton of power and it's pretty fast. Right now the one complaint that I've got with this machine though is right off of idle when you just start to hit the pedal, it's got a pretty big flat spot in it. It kind of falls on its face for a second and then takes off. And if it just sits there idling for a long time, it really starts to get loaded up like it's running too rich at idle. So I went ahead and ordered a low profile carb kit from Performance 670. Now that was a carb kit that they designed to work in applications like this. So the carburetor comes down and off the side instead of sticking up farther in the air since we don't have a lot of space underneath the seat on this machine. Now this low profile carb kit that I ordered from Performance 670 is supposed to be very adjustable. So hopefully I can tune it to get this thing running how I want it to. You're also supposed to be able to get up to another 5 more horsepower out of this engine just by bolting that carb kit on. Now, as soon as we get that carb kit in and a couple other accessories that we're waiting on, I'll shoot a couple more videos with this cart along with a good review video. After I've really went out and tried this thing out on some trails and see how it really performs and holds up after a little bit of abuse, I want to show you guys what I really think about this thing. So if you guys want to catch those videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell down below. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. If you got some good value out of this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.